Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. We are all traveling with an ambition, goal or a great desire for something in this life. I see this painting as something that shows us the way to success in such a lifetime goal. This painting is a portrait of a man doing tricks on the street. He holds stick in his arms. He walks on the rope with one bare foot, carrying a donkey and a very long stick. Usually, many of us would have seen like somebody walking with a stick on a rope in the street. But I would like to tell you through my sketch this bizarre yet very difficult event of carrying a donkey in hand and crossing the rope with one foot. The man keeps donkey's eyes closed so that the donkey does not afraid at that height and does not stumble. He does so much hard work for his maybe food or small income. This drawing can give different thoughts to everyone, but I see this drawing as a success guide to our lifelong goal. That rope is our path of ambition. We are the man who tries to overcome it. That single foot is our perseverance. Like that donkey and the stick, we travel with both possessions of our mind and brain. Just as the donkey's eyes are blindfolded, so we need to bring our negative thoughts and weakness under control. That control will protect us from many dangers. Our brain is like that stick. It will give us confidence and balance. Like him, without counting whether we have to endure so many hardships for the small income, we can achieve success if we travel decisively in the goal of life. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.